What is up, YouTube? It is your boy, as always, a Dizzle AM right here, coming to you with an unboxing video. Today is going to be something special because what we have here, oh, it's upside down, is the Nintendo online controllers. This is for the Switch, and so what you do is you can plug this into your Switch and you can play NES games with the original controllers. It's wireless, it's amazing. We're gonna unbox this for you in a bit, so stick around or else you're gonna be square. And you don't want to be square, you want to be a circle. No, what's a better shape? I would say a heart, but hearts played out because everybody sends you text messages with hearts. A triangle. You know, you want to be a triangle, not a square. Alright, see you in a bit. Yo, what up? We're back. Got the peace signs ready for you, y'all. This is the unboxing of the NES controllers. This is for the Switch, and so I picked this up for Christmas. It's a birthday gift to myself. It was on sale, so I was like, might as well get it so I can play the NES games with the original controllers, but wireless. So this is the front of the box. It tells you this is an online product. Here's the back of it. Shows you like the Switch, and it connects into the side right there. Let me be a little closer so you can see that. Cool, cool, cool. And then there's like the bottom of the box, top of the box. Nintendo, cool. So let's just open up this box and see what's inside. See what tasty treats are available to us. I'm popping the top for y'all for Christmas. Ooh, ooh. Packaging's kind of weird, like a little glass sleeve for the front of it. It's very flimsy. It feels like one of those boxes you get at Best Buys for like their, what's it called, Insignia brand, which is like their own things that they make, like their HDMI cables and extra controllers and stuff like that. It's just that weird, crappy box feeling. Yeah, it's just really weird. But here's the controllers. Cool, cool. That's it. There's nothing else to it. Let's open this up and check it out. So what you do is you plug this into the side of your Switch. It connects there. You have the shoulder buttons here on the top, and you have a little wireless button to press right here, which connects to it, and then you have the controller. Actually, this feels exactly like an old Nintendo controller, which is crazy. Because, like, I mean, I grew up playing Nintendo or NES, and this feels exactly like it. Even the buttons are rubbery too. That's crazy. It feels exactly like that. But this one's a little more high tech because this one is wireless, which is pretty sweet. So what you do is you just connect the controllers into it. So you get two, and it's ready to go, and then you power that up. I'll be back in a second, and we'll check it out. Back again. So right here I have my Switch. What I'm gonna do is just pop off these controllers and slap these ones on there so we can get a sneak peek of what it looks like. Oh, maybe it goes this way. There we go. Ooh, paired. Cool, cool. Amazing, look at that. It just connects like that. So let's open that. Cancel this, and then we'll just go to the NES and see if we can like play a NES game real quick. All software. Where's it at? There it is. Oh, I had to do a system update. Well, I guess I'll have to update that. Sonic Mania. And that's pretty much it for this NES controllers. You can play like those old games with it. It's pretty cool. There's 2 players, so if you want to get your loved one or your PM on the action, you can give them player 2 and you can get all the amazing old games on it. That's so dope. I totally dig that. That's so cool. Well, my system updates, this is the unboxing. Kind of makes your Switch look kind of nasty though with these big old stuff on the side, but I'm going to charge these up and we're going to play with them. And what we have here is the Joy-Cons. So it's kind of funny how like back in the day this was like the standard controller, and now for like the Switch these are like the Joy-Cons. And then you also got the Pro controller too, which is pretty cool. Yeah, I totally dig it. Pretty awesome. So this is the video for you of the NES controllers. So if you like what you see, better sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more of this quality content, then you better subscribe to our channel and let us know in the comments what kind of unboxing you want to see from us, because we're always here to please. Anyways, peace.